Here is your opportunity to own a piece of Newport. This 2-bed, 1-bath condo located in the northern end of Newport allows for convenient access in and out of town, as well as walkability to Broadway and downtown Newport. This property right here makes for the perfect primary residence or second home. I am excited to introduce you to 22 Malbone Road, Unit 4 here in Newport, Rhode Island. Let's take a tour. Thanks for joining us today. If you're looking to purchase property here in Newport, Rhode Island, all of my contact information is below.